we have very extra makeup on today, and I really don't care, okay? And I'm in a shirt that's way too low, so just know it looks like this, okay? Tank top, because it's boiling hot in my house right now. On a somewhat happy note, I'm staring at a stupid amount of laundry. You think that's it? No, no. And the best part about it is this is only half. So we vacuumed and cleaned the floors yesterday. I still have to take I still have to take those out, take the laundry basket out, take the bin out, switch my purse. This is gonna take me all damn day to fold. Like, I shit you not, it is 10:47 a.m. and I've been up since about 3 a.m. Lots of Diet Coke today, I guess. With an upset tummy. Not so much fun. Yeah. If you guys watch my update videos, you guys know I have Snapchat and Instagram, and I want you guys to go and subscribe because my dog is currently trying to show you guys something. This is Mufasa's shirt. It says Lazy Bone on it. So, that's Mufasa's. And Maddie, this fits Maddie to a T, unfortunately. Diva. Maddie, you are such a damn diva. She's right here. Maddie. Get up, Lazy Bones. Here she is. There she is. Shit, maybe I should have got her the Lazy Bones one. Literally sitting here watching Simply Nailogical. Been watching her all damn day. So, hello, Christine, the Hollow Queen. Love your videos. I have a stub finger at the moment. I still have the nail, but haven't the energy or the effort into putting it back on. Love you guys. Hope you guys are having a good day. Okay, bye.